How to redeem Use EA gift card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process how you will be able to redeem your Use EA gift card online. So go ahead and open your web browser and type www.ea.com/redeem. Once you're here, tap on Redeem option. You will need to log in into your EA account, which you can do by using your email or phone number and password. But if you don't have an EA account, you can create one by following the on-screen instruction. You can also see the option of Create Account on the screen. Once you're logged in, enter the redemption code from the back of your gift card into the specified field and click the Next button. This will successfully redeem your EA gift card. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more useful guide. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video.